Welcome to another REO opportunity. And in this episode, we're going back to Woodhaven. This house is just steps away from the 75th Street station of the J train. Just a short distance away from the house is Jamaica Avenue, where you're gonna find the shops for your everyday needs. And a little known fact is that one of the scenes from Spider-Man's Homecoming was shot just about a block away. So we're filming a video on another house, and we're in Woodhaven, and I'm in a park. So could you guess what park am I standing in right now? Forest Park.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you know, we have something special this evening.
Welcome to 8535 75th Street in Woodhaven. This is a two-family house. I've just entered the first unit. Let me take you around. This unit is enormous, featuring lower level recreational space and 5-room, 2-bedroom setup right here. Coming straight out of the ground level of this home, you come out to a nice and cozy backyard. Unit number 1 was impressive. Now let's go check out unit number 2. Unit 2 does not fall far behind. It also features a 5-room, 2-bedroom apartment. Now that's a wrap. Do you want to see your home or your neighborhood? Let me know. Put it in the comments below. So thanks for taking a tour of this REO opportunity. Be sure to click on the link below and subscribe. I'll be seeing you back in the neighborhood.